Hello and welcome to aloSIM. Here's how to install your new eSIM on a Google Pixel. eSIM is already supported on a variety of Google Pixels, but start by making sure yours is compatible. It's a good idea to install your eSIM before your trip while you have a strong internet connection. But don't activate your data package until you've arrived at your destination, where you can connect to the correct networks. You can install your new eSIM by using the free aloSIM app or logging in on aloSIM.com. To begin your installation, select My eSIMs. Select the eSIM you want to install and choose from QR code installation or manual installation. Manual installation involves copying and pasting a code into your device settings. But QR code installation is the easiest method, so let's walk through that. Tap Share Code to send your QR code to a nearby device so you can scan it in a minute. On your Google Pixel, go to Settings, then Network and Internet. Under SIMs, tap to add a new SIM and select Download a SIM instead. Follow the prompts to confirm you want to download your eSIM. If you're asked to confirm your network, scroll down and tap Use a different network. Now scan your QR code from another device and follow the on-screen prompts. If you're asked to use two SIMs at once and you plan on using aloSIM right away, tap Yes. If you won't be using aloSIM yet, tap No thanks. If you're asked if you want to use aloSIM, tap Download to continue. Depending on your device, you might be asked to name your eSIM. Congratulations, your eSIM has been installed. If you're not ready to use your aloSIM eSIM yet, just keep it toggled off for now. If you're already in the correct country or region for your eSIM, you can activate your data package anytime. If you're not there yet, wait until you arrive in the correct country or region to follow these next steps. To activate your eSIM data package, go to Settings, Network and Internet, then SIMs. Toggle your new eSIM on and confirm you want it on. In order to connect to local networks, your eSIM needs roaming on. Make sure mobile data and roaming are both toggled on for aloSIM. Don't worry about the roaming charge warning because aloSIM will never charge you roaming fees. Now it's time to change the settings for your primary SIM and phone number, if you have one. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, and SIMs to select your regular SIM. If you want to keep your primary SIM active so you can call and text on your regular number while traveling internationally, keep this SIM toggled on, but toggle off mobile data and roaming. Then tap Call Preferences and SMS Preferences and make sure your primary SIM is selected. Since eSIMs don't come with phone numbers, your primary SIM will always be your preference for calls and texts. Want to make sure you've done it correctly? Go to Network and Internet and tap SIMs. Your primary SIM should be the default for calls and SMS, and aloSIM should be the default for all mobile data. But if you want to disable your primary SIM and phone number while traveling internationally to avoid calling and texting fees, you can toggle off your primary SIM entirely. Just remember that you won't be able to call or text on this phone number until you toggle it back on. aloSIM usually has several supported networks in each country or region, and we connect you to the best one depending on your location. Tap on aloSIM and scroll down to make sure Automatically Select Network is toggled on. Now scroll down and tap Access Point Names. Your selected APN might already be set to aloSIM. But if your selected APN says something other than aloSIM, tap it so that you can edit it. Type aloSIM in the name and APN fields, then tap the three vertical dots and tap Save. Now your selected APN should be aloSIM. Congratulations, you did it! Your aloSIM data package has been activated and your data should begin flowing. To track your data usage, head to aloSIM and select My eSIMs, then tap on the eSIM to see its remaining data balance. If you need more data, you can top up your eSIM anytime in the aloSIM app or on aloSIM.com. When you've finished using your eSIM and you've arrived back home, it's safe to switch back to your primary SIM. Select your primary SIM and make sure it's toggled on. Then you can turn mobile data and roaming back on. Then select your eSIM and toggle it off. Remember, eSIMs never expire, so don't delete yours in case you want to use it again someday. We're here to help 24/7, so if you have any questions about using eSIM on your Google Pixel, reach out to our aloSIM customer support team anytime. Thanks for watching!